In a world where opportunities aren't always equal, where some voices are heard louder than others, and where not everyone gets a fair shot at success, one thing becomes clear. Social inequality is a challenge we must address together. But there's hope. Together, we can spark change by standing up for equality, by advocating for justice, and by lifting each other up. We can create a world where everyone has the chance to thrive. Join the movement for social equality. Let's build a society where everyone's potential is recognized, where opportunities are abundant, and where no one is left behind. Together, we can make a difference.